If you get married, you still have your own credit report, and so will your spouse. If you and your spouse open joint account, whether it's credit card account or mortgage account, they will appear on both of your credit reports. And late or missed payment on those accounts can negatively hurt your score. A divorce decree can negatively impact your finances, but doesn't directly impact your credit score. However, if you have late or missed payment on your joint credit account as a result, it may negatively affect your score, as well as all other assets acquired during an in-community of property marriage are usually owned equally by both spouses. That means you and your spouse may be both responsible for any debt incurred while you were married. And remember to have a game plan, because failure to plan is planning to fail.